Hello friends, it's me again, Dr. Amit Kapadi, back in business. After long time, I have some news for you guys, and that's what I'm gonna present in my this video. Okay, I have two major updates. One from the Pearson PTE and one from the Canadian Immigration Department, which gonna have big impact on the students who are aspiring to the Canada and on the students who are planning to appear in PTE test. No matter for which country they are applying, it will be effect on you guys. So let's start the video quickly. First thing first, I have update from the Pearson PTE. So until now, what was happening, that PT is getting loads of thousands of templates, general templates, using blindly by students who are appearing in PTE test, and they realize that students are just speaking general template which they mug up. They are not even bothered to put the information accordingly given in the question. So they pick this loophole, and from now onwards it will be changed forever. So what's gonna happen, that for your PTE speaking, they have also announced implemented human evaluation with the AI checking. Means for your speaking, describing image and retail lecture, apart from the AI checking, human checking also will be done. Human will check your efforts, for your performance, for your describing image and retail answer. Okay, so by that way it will be checked by people and by human two times, and you will get after that result. Okay, to be biased, to be fair with all the students. Okay, so from now onwards it's no longer, you will not be able to use certain type of general templates which you used to use in your exam. Okay, so beware, if you are using such template, it will not work for sure, and it will not give you such marks as it used to give you. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, it's very simple. You still can use such template. Okay, it's not like that you cannot. Okay, you can, but apart from that template, you must add some data, some information from your side according to the given question, whether it is graph, whether it is map, whether it is process, whatsoever. For example, if there is a graph, so apart from your current template, you add some information according visible to the graph itself, and that's how it will be done. So you can pick some good lines from your template, you can add some good information from the given topic, and that's it. You will get good marks for sure. Okay, so don't worry, don't feel scared, don't be frustrated that what I'm gonna do if I'll not be able to use. You still can use it, but this is how you can use your template in describing image and retail lecture. Okay, for retail lecture as well, uh, rather than using blindly that general template, whichever you have, put some information. How you gonna put some information? Try to memorize. Okay, try to remember at least two lines from the given lecture. Two line will be enough, 2 to 3 lines whole. Okay, try to remember the whole line, write down and give them. 2 or 3 line will be enough. You will not be needed to add some extra words as well. Okay, so do by this way, it will definitely work. Okay, that's for PT Pearson. Okay, and this is for all students. Please beware, that is not for Canada, it's for all students who are appearing in PT test for all around the world. I hope it's clear to you now. Second update, second for IRCC and ICRC, Canada Immigration Department. So until now, what was happening, that student who are applying for student visa for Canada, they are applying in SDS category. Okay, you must be aware with SDS category. SDS means student direct stream, in which you are presenting them GIC, and visa is guaranteed, you will get within 2 to 3 months. As per the department, from 8th of November, SDS category will no longer work for you guys. Unfortunately, they just lifted that category. So whoever is planning to apply, or whoever is applying within after this 8th of November, they will no longer be able to apply for SDS category. They must go with the non-SDS category. Non-SDS category means visa is not guaranteed. It takes around 6 to 7 months procedure, and you must show them funds. Okay, this is little bit sad, but you have to do what you have to do. Simple is that. They just lifted, so we cannot do anything. So whoever is planning to go Canada, please prepare yourself. Be prepared well in advance, at least a year advance. Okay, so by that way you will be able to go within a time frame. I hope this video will helpful to you, useful to you. If you still have any doubts or any questions regarding PTE, please do not hesitate to write down in a comment section, and I will definitely revert back to you. Thank you very much again for watching this video, and stay tuned. There are a couple of videos coming for especially for PT tips and tricks. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel, like it and share it. Who knows, it will be helpful to someone. Again, thank you, and you have a good day ahead. Thank you.